So I'm gonna do a review on the VEVOR 2000 watt drill. It's the 1800 RPM model. There you go. And I'll do a serious review. I can't believe VEVOR sends tools to these guys and then they just do these clown reviews. So this is a real review. I'm in Canada. Woo! Nice and cold. Expecting a blizzard today. So cold we can't even connect the water system to it because it freezes, as you can see. Ice. So yeah, this will be a real review. I'm anchoring it with steel pipe to the ground here. But here we go. Drilling through 6-inch hollow core, 300 AC lines, 116 unit, 6-story condo in Winnipeg, Manitoba. That's the building here. So yeah, 300 AC lines total. So far with this machine, I've done at least 20 holes, 150 maybe. So 3 holes are going here. See, I did 4 up there. The entire floor got 4 holes. 1 more floor on the top. So I think it's 100 to go. So I missed a few holes down here, which is why I'm down on the 4th floor. But yeah, it just rips through. And for the price, you can't beat it. VEVOR better be better send me some free tools, VEVOR. Yeah. Boom. 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 Boom.